The Black Shark OpenAir arrives in a premium-looking black and gold retail box that immediately highlights its hi-fi audio and aptX HD capabilities. Inside, you'll find the OpenAir headset, a USB charging cable, and a user manual, all neatly organized and well protected. The unboxing experience feels polished and professional, while the minimalist packaging aligns perfectly with the product's premium positioning. The first thing I noticed was how lightweight and comfortable the Black Shark OpenAir feels. Its open-ear acoustic design allows outside sounds to remain audible, making it easy to stay aware of your surroundings while enjoying music or calls. Whether working, walking, or commuting, the headset offers a natural listening experience that prioritizes long-term comfort over complete isolation. The Black Shark OpenAir stands out with its premium design, combining matte black finishes with champagne gold accents for a sleek and modern look. The adjustable headband and generously padded ear cushions provide excellent comfort during extended listening sessions, while the sturdy hinge mechanism and solid construction inspire confidence. The hinge mechanism feels solid, with enough resistance to inspire confidence without becoming difficult to adjust. Battery life is one of the Black Shark OpenAir's biggest strengths. Rated for up to 50 hours of playback, it easily lasted several days of regular use in my testing before needing a recharge. Charging is quick and convenient. Black Shark has equipped the OpenAir with a well-rounded feature set centered around its open-ear acoustic design, which lets you enjoy music while staying aware of your surroundings. Support for Qualcomm aptX HD delivers clear, detailed wireless audio, while the 40mm drivers produce balanced hi-fi sound with rich bass, natural vocals, and crisp highs. The wired/wireless dual mode adds flexibility for gaming or low battery situations, and CVC 8.0 noise reduction ensures clear voice calls even in moderately noisy environments. Black Shark OpenAir is a well-designed headset that prioritizes comfort, situational awareness, and everyday usability. Its lightweight construction, premium finish, aptX HD support, dual wired and wireless connectivity, reliable call quality, and impressive 50-hour battery life make it an excellent choice for work, commuting, gaming, and daily listening. While the open-ear design isn't intended for complete noise isolation, it delivers a comfortable and natural listening experience that stands out from traditional wireless headphones.